Well, hi everyone, it's Diamond Art Addiction here with your Sparkle Queen, Kimmy. How is everybody doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. I want to welcome in to all my new subscribers and to my returning subscribers. Welcome back. Love having you here. Hope you all got a coffee. Cheers, guys. Now, I'm not feeling the best. I'm filming a little bit today. So please just bear with me, okay? I have 2 completions that are covered in absolute Salem's cat hair, but that's okay because they are velvet backing and I can just put the roller over them and it comes off. So I have 2 completions for you, and one is the mystery canvas. I hope you all had fun with that. I really did. Let me just try and fix this camera angle. There we go. I had so much fun with it, doing the shorts and trying to work, guess which picture it was and all that. I really, really had fun with that, and I hope that you guys did as well. So, without further ado, here is our little bumblebee. Isn't he gorgeous? Let me zoom on in, wrong way, so you can get a good look at him, because he's only little. So he was our mystery kit. He is covered in fur because I've been sick. I've been busy. It was my birthday on Wednesday and I'm officially 50 and loving life at the moment. I've been busy just going to the gym, working on my new program, all that stuff, working on canvases, getting things done so I can film for you guys. And that's probably why I haven't done a video for a little while, because I've been busy working on stuff so I can get videos out there for you. So I haven't done completions in a while, and I'm really sorry for that. I do have plenty to film. I've just got to get the time to film at the moment because I'm just busy. Anyway, my husband goes back to work on Tuesday, so I'll be able to get more filming done. So isn't it cute? And look at the sparkle, guys. Oh my goodness, it's just, I've got the overhead light on, so let me zoom out just a little. Look at the sparkle on him. He's sitting on a sunflower. He's just so cute, and he was around. Look at that face. His little antennas and his wing. Oh my goodness, it's just, to get a small canvas of this size, and it had 4 ABs in it, 28 colours for a 30 by 30 is unbelievable. My washi tape is actually starting to lift. It took no time at all to do this one, guys. I had it finished and I was still putting the shorts up for it. So I do need to straighten it. I am going to clean it. I'm going to seal it. I'm going to put it in a frame for my granddaughter. She is going to love it. So let me know what you think. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have a bigger one behind it, which I'm super excited about. And it is my Thor. This is one that I've designed myself. It's one of my creations. It's one of my artwork pieces. And I got this one for my husband. I follow Thor as well. I worship, he's one of the gods that I worship. So let's turn it over. This took me a little while to do. It's square. And I'm telling you now, guys, there was hardly any trash. I did take a photo of the trash. I will insert it because I emptied the trash bin out so that I could start my next one. Let me get this camera angle correct so that you can see him properly. Just bear with me one sec. There we go. He's square. He was a 50 by 70. To be honest, with the detail that is in this canvas, I would not go smaller. I would not go any small. If you're going to order this canvas, don't go any smaller. I do have a discount code. It is Kim16, which is the first Kim has a capital K. The second Kim doesn't. It's all in one word. It'll give you 16% off. They have 15% off store-wide. So that will be a total of 31% discount for you guys. I now have 190 pieces of artwork up on my artist zone for Kudos. So you just go to the website, go to artist zone, scroll down until you see Diamond Art Addiction with Kimmy, and then you can go through. There's 4 pages there, and I have sent off more to be added. So I know I've got more on there. So there could be actually more on there at time of filming. I'm not sure. Now, being square, they clicked in so well. There is a little bit of gapping, not too much, but there is a little bit. I have straightened him. There's just a couple that I've moved because he's just been sitting up on the table because I've cleaned it, but Salem keeps jumping up on the table, and of course more cat fur, so I've got to clean it again. I just had one lift. Or was that a loose one? No, hang on a sec, guys. I've just lost one. I was going to say the stick's fantastic. The stick was fantastic. I don't know why that one's popped. It could have been because of the angle I had it on the table. But I have no wax in this. Hang on a sec. I'll just use my finger. Let me get that back in there. So square, first square I've done from Kudos, and it is brilliant. I had so many leftover drills. It's not funny. It is a darker canvas because it is a storm scene. Like, it's nighttime. You got the city behind him. You got a skyrise building here. You got another one over here, and he's just standing there, and he's got the Mjolnir there, and the lightning in this. Oh my goodness, guys. Let me zoom on in. What happened then? Sorry, guys. All right. Note to self, edit that out. There we go. Look at that lightning. That is all ABs. Oh no, this one's fairy dust, sorry. Fairy dust in this one. Look at that sparkle on those 8 on them. Fairy dust. Absolutely gorgeous. And there is a bit of gapping, like I won't lie. There is a little bit of gapping, but you're going to get that with squares because they're not all the same size. Where's his face? There we go. He's so handsome. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. So, let me know down below what you think. Do a lightning strike as an emoji down below to let me know that you've watched this video this far. There is a couple that are starting to lift, but like I said, that's just because of the way I had it sitting on the table. Okay, like, trust me, they clicked in place. I have rolled it. I've straightened it. I just hadn't been sitting completely flat on the table. So that's my fault. But gorgeous. I am going to have to find a poster size frame to fit him in. I know Kmart do sell. This is Kmart in Australia. Yes, we still have Kmart. They have poster size frames, and I know that the Reject Shop also has poster size frames if you are curious to know where to get them from. Check Marketplace too for your frames, guys. If your local tip has a reuse shed, go look in there. Go op shopping. You might be able to find bigger size frames. If you don't like the picture, take the picture out. That way you've got a cheap frame to put your diamond painting in. So, yeah, always check your op shops, thrift shops, secondhand shops. You never know. We have a reuse shed here for our local tip, and I've never been quick enough to go up there and get the size frames that they have up there. But I have got quite a few frames from there, so I'm just sitting here picking up all these little fine cat hairs now. Thank you to my Salem for sitting up on the table. But that, I just wanted to show you that this is the first one that I've created that I've completed. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know how it looked. Now it's done. People were worried about how dark he was. But to be honest, guys, I really, really, really think he's turned out great. Now, I do washi tape the end of it. I did use release papers on this one. Don't know why this N1 keeps coming off. Get in there. Here we go. So, yeah, I'm going to seal it. If you want to see a video on how to seal, I can do that. I could show you how I seal it. I'll show you what he looks like once he is in a frame as well. So I'll seal it. I'll probably give him, because he's square, I will probably give him a couple of coats of sealer just to make sure. He's going to be going behind glass, but my OCD will kick in like it is now with these fine hairs, and I will do 2 or 3 coats of sealer on it. I mean, I've done sealers on ones before. They've only needed 2, but because this one is going to be getting framed and sitting up above his altar, yeah, he's going to need a few coats, I think. And because it's square and I've just got, like, I've rolled it and stuff like that, but there's just a couple that are just starting to lift back up. But that happens with squares sometimes, guys, and it happens with the big name companies too. So remember, Kudel's is premium style canvas. You've got your velvet backing, you've got the scalloped edges, the perforated holes to prevent it from fraying, but they're budget friendly. So you can go on there and pick the smallest size, spend under $20, or you can go to the biggest size and spend a couple of $100. You know what I mean? Like, they fit into everybody's budget. But with Thor, I would not go any smaller. Then I've got a loose drill there from my last video that I filmed. Yeah, I wouldn't go any smaller. Okay. I do have more of mine that I need to do, but I'm working on a big one at the moment, and then I really want to work on that custom that I got made from Kudel's, because I want to show you guys how the customs look. Give you my honest opinion on how it looks when it's finished, because it is a photo that they've then rendered down to make it into a diamond painting. So we'll see how it goes. I have high hopes for it, and I think it's going to turn out absolutely wonderful. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment, guys. It really, really helps get my videos out there in YouTube world, because without the comments, without the likes, my videos will just sit there. And I want to reach 500. We are so, so close. So let's get to 500, guys, so I can do my giveaway. Remember, with Kudel's. Oh, and don't forget to share my channel with all your amazing diamond art friends that would find my content interesting. I'm sure, we'd love to have them. I also have a Facebook group. I'll leave the link down below for the Facebook group. Please just answer the questions. That's all I ask. I'll try to keep, that's a private group. I keep it safe. So please answer the questions. Otherwise, you will not be accepted in, unfortunately. Don't forget there is a discount code for Kudeals, capital KIM 16 for 16% off. Plus they have 15% off store-wide at the moment. They did just revamp their website. They are now back up and running, and so excited. So let me know if you purchase in the comments section. Let me know if you've purchased one of mine, and email it. If you finished it, email it to me. I'd love to see it. So what I was thinking is, if I get quite a few of you guys that do buy my canvases, send me your pictures when they're completed, and I can do a video, and that way we can show other people how my artwork turns out once it's completed. So yeah, my email address is always up in the description down below. So just hit an email. If you can't email it through to me, join the Facebook group and post it in there, and then I'll save the photo and I will put the photos together for a video so that we can all see what they look like, because I love designing these pictures for you guys, and I've got some cute ones that are coming up, some really, really cute ones. So, you know, I have pictures for everyone. I have the Norse gods, of course, because that's who I worship. I have Easter ones there, so there is 1 or 2 religious Christian ones there. I have anime, I have landscapes, I have fun, cutesy ones. I've, you know, all different types of ones there, flowers, all that. So I'll try to do a little bit for everyone's taste. So I really, really, really hope that you like the artwork that I produce for you guys, and I hope that you like how Thor turned out. I think he's turned out absolutely amazing. Like I said, yeah, he's a bit dark, but you've got to remember it's a nighttime scene, and you've got the glow. So it could be the sun setting, the sun is rising, and Thor's just hitting his Mjolnir and saying, yep, it's time, and the lightning's shining, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. The lightning shining. Oh my goodness, sorry, the lightning is striking. You can tell I'm not well, my brain's just not working. But thank you all so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much. And like I said before, remember to keep that sparkle alive in your day, as it's guaranteed to make you smile. Much love and blessings to each and every single one of you. And I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.